So this morning we've gotten woken up at 5 AM. Sun's not even up. But that's our howler monkey in the backyard waking us up. Hopefully he's only having a short visit. He started a little bit later, so we might be able to see him, but who knows how long he's going to go on for. Go back to bed in the meantime. There's more over here, guys. Here you go, it's yours. Just mark that one. This is your Nana. This is a cool restaurant. Who's that? Who's that in the window?
He's hiding with himself.
Oh, you guys are classic. Let's get his arm around him. That's hilarious. So he's pulling faces. Stop it. Your new friend.